Welcome back. The government has decided to expand the eligibility criteria for the Bharat Ratna. The national honour will now be awarded for service or performance in any field, thus clearing the way for the likes of Sachin Tendulkar, Dhyan Chand and other sportspersons to receive India's highest civilian honour. Initially, the criteria was restricted to areas like art, literature, science and public service, but this has been changed after a call to include sports as a part of it.
I think the two names which suddenly strike my mind is the wizard of hockey, Major Dhyan Chand, and our run machine, Sachin Tendulkar. Both of them, I think, should be the top contenders, and there are many other contenders for this Bharat Ratna award if it is given to a sportsperson. Ultimately, the decision has to be taken by the Prime Minister.
Kolaveri is no more a profane word in Tamil thanks to Dhanush and social networking sites. Looks like the Kolaveri mania has not spared even the Chennai traffic police. Can the word literally meaning killer rage spread a noble message? Here is a story on the brand new campaign by the Chennai Traffic Police Department.
1, 2, 3, 4. Why this Kolaveri, Kolaveri, Kolaveri?
It has now become inevitable for a Chennai to abstain himself from tapping toes to the popular soup song Kolaveri D. The Chennai traffic cops seem to have capitalized on the Kolaveri mood of Chennaites to come up with a new traffic safety campaign. As if Chennai's hot weather was not enough, the unimaginable traffic leads to heated arguments. Without helmets, anger is something Chennaites load their heads with on roads. The traffic department has found that this is one of the key reasons for the increasing number of accidents. Be calm and composed while you drive, says this campaign.
The Chennai Traffic Police wants to convey a message to the motorists in such a way when people come onto the road, they should come in a calm and cool and they should enjoy the ride. Wherever the destination, they should plan the route well in advance, be comfortable. So by following the traffic rules, they can reach the destination without any minor accidents. That is the message we want to convey, so we selected the slogan. So this is, it is reaching the commuters in very easily and very effectively. After publishing all these people throughout India, all police department, they come and ask us, how do you make up, how you come up this, how do you convey the message to the motorists? So it's coming very nicely.
The traffic police have raised Kolaveri banners at Kilpauk and Anna Salai. Following its success, they have plans to raise them in other parts of the city too. As a traffic safety measure, this campaign says, why this Kolaveri? In Chennai with Hariharan, Natasha Doraiswamy for NETV Hindu.
Coming to think of it, to send a message of peace, these signs would be quite fitting at the Kerala-Tamil Nadu border. Moving on, winters remind you of the color grey, but no, not this time in Chennai at least. Colors are in and how? Watch this report that tells you how youngsters are trying to look good and fashionable. Most say they just have to be themselves. Take a look.
The more the colors, the trendier you look. No wonder then that Chennai looks like a moving canvas, with youngsters trying pink, red, yellow, all at one go.
The youngsters or today's youth have started considering it first primarily as an important occupation or as a job occupation. And apart from that, it plays a very important role. It's no longer as less important as it used to be. Today's kids, I guess, are influenced by movies or songs or celebrities or collections that they see on channels like FTV and things like that. So I think it's become very important. It's become a part and parcel of every youngster's daily lives.
The idea is to what these role models are trying themselves. Work, heavy sequences are out. Simple yet creative, plain yet colorful is in.
It's like whatever you wish to wear. It's not like you're copying and this actress is wearing that actor is wearing that. It's not like that. What dress you feel comfortable, it's like all about fashion. You should feel comfortable what you're wearing.
What we wear is what the world perceives us to be. Making a bold fashion statement can turn viral. While bright colors seems to be in thing among Chennai's youth, look like the term painting town red has taken an all new meaning. In Chennai, this is Hima for NDTV Hindu.
It is Christmas season. The Hindustan University organized a carol competition, Carol the King. The first of its kind in the city, a total of 35 choirs competed for a total cash prize of Rs 1,50,000. The carol competition was judged by some of the most distinguished iconic personalities in the realm of choir singing, Mrs. Martha Howie and Mrs. Sharda Shafter, along with the convener of the competition, Professor Winfred Chellaya, choir master, hits. And that brings us to the end of this bulletin. Thank you for watching. This is Anu George Kanjaratopal for NDTV Hindu. I will be back with more news and updates very soon, so stay tuned.